making massive edits only to lose them and have to do it all over again. That's a thing of the past. In today's How To in Canva video series, we're going to take a look at how to collaborate, download, and then share those big projects with colleagues or coworkers in the most efficient way possible. Stay tuned. So let's say you've got a big project coming up. You're working with a large group of coworkers on. So I've got a project documentation template up here. It doesn't really matter what we use. I just want to show you some collaboration, downloading, and sharing features within Canva. So by the way, I am in my free version of Canva. I do have the pro version, but I'm using the freebie so that you can see anything that I'm going to be using and accessing here in this video will be accessible if you are a free version user. So as I said, we've got this project documentation template. You'll go ahead and make your changes. If you're not sure how to make those changes, there are tons of videos before this one that will show you how to do that step by step. So make sure to go back and view those if you have any questions about that. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to just assume that everything has been updated. Everything looks good. We're ready to go. So we're going to come up here and click on share. And from here, we can do a couple of things. We can click on this public view link, and what this does, it just creates a link to the document, but they will not be able to edit it. It's a view only version. So if you're collaborating, that's probably not what you want to do, although it might be. You can also just click on download, and once the file has been downloaded, you can share it that way if that's what you prefer. Or you can come up here in this add people groups or your team. So I'm going to type in my email address so you can see what this looks like. So from here, we can click on edit. So they can edit it, and then all the changes that they would make are live. So once they've made them, you can go back into the document in Canva and see exactly what they've done. They can comment only. So they can't make changes to the document, but they can leave comments. And lastly is view. So in this case, they would only be able to view. No commenting, no editing would be allowed. So you click on share, and that will send them a link to this document, this template with their viewing or editing privileges. Collaboration link, only you can access, or anyone with the link can access. If you copy this link and send it to your coworkers, they'll be able to come in and edit, comment, or view again, however you want to set that up. So those are the ways you can collaborate and share. And again, you can share and download in whatever format you'd like. PDF standard, you can do a Word document if that's what you prefer. However, if you do that, just keep in mind that you'll get a warning message. Sometimes some fonts may not display correctly in this format. But if you want to be able to edit it as a Word doc, then this would be the way to go. And then you can choose your size. If you want a letter size or a legal size, whichever size you need for this particular project. So, and then you'll hit download. Let's go back to PDF. Click on download. And here's our finished project. Now you can send it to anybody in this form, but just keep in mind, if you want your collaborators to be able to make changes to fonts and colors, any of those elements within Canva, it's just so much easier to do it right within Canva. Changes that people make are real-time, easily trackable, and easily changed. So I hope this was helpful. Go ahead, play around with it, and let me know what you think. See you in the next video.